channel. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button. That way you get notified every single time I upload a new video. In today's video, as you guys read by the title, we're gonna have a little beach day. Here's the baby, don't mind the mess. Babe's already packed all the stuff in the car, so we're gonna go and head out. I will catch you guys when we are there. This baby is like 20 pounds. You know how hard it is to carry him? I'm not recording, just hold it. Can you see his face? It's too cold.
He's crying.
Where's the fuel? You want to sit down?
It's like me, no, like.
No. Here, you hold him like this. I'm gonna take pictures of him.
I don't want to touch it. You don't want to touch it. You don't want to touch it.
You're so cute. Is he cold? Yeah, his toes are cold. He's so cute.
But it's hot outside.
Yeah, it feels,
He warms
it's
up.
okay.
I think he needs.
Yeah, my God. As soon as I walked out, he fell asleep. But we got fruits, snacks. So much for a cooler. Gatorades. It's a vibe.
Did you bring like a lot of them?
No, I brought 4 and they're all melted. Look, this one's probably the least. Oh no, it's all melted.